I have here a couple of old picture frames. This one here is a picture of my dad, but it never had no glass in it. This one we bought not too long ago, and it's all there except some of these little things are broken. So what I'm going to do is take some of these off and make one real good one here, because this one had some broken things on the end here, and this one is all pretty well all there except one little piece is broken here. So I'm going to restore and make one really good one out of these two. I tried taking this first one off, and I wasn't sure, but I melted the ends of them. I gave it too much heat, and I didn't realize that these here things are made of lead. Quite interesting. Little designs that go on the end here. So now I got the one off the other frame. I just gave it just enough heat to get the solder melted, and this one came off. Now hopefully I can solder this guy back to this one so that I don't melt it. Now I got this clamped in place. Now hopefully I can solder it in without melting everything.